Hey there, I'm Melissa with New South Table. Thank you for watching our channel. Welcome to North Carolina, and today it is cold and rainy. I'm going to be making a huge batch of chili today. Now normally when I make this, we're on our camping trips and we're feeding a lot of people because we go in groups and it's just fun that way. Today, not so much. We're a small family, but I'm going to freeze the leftovers. And so I'm making a very large batch. If you don't want to make that much, just divide the recipe in half and it easily works on the stovetop in your kitchen. So come on and join us. Again, thank you for watching. We're using the Camp Chef Tundra Pro here, and I'm going to saute the onions and the green peppers. I'm using a medium-low heat. We're going to add some salt and then pepper. Then we're going to add a little bit of oil here, a couple of teaspoons of olive oil, just to keep them from sticking to the bottom of the pan. We'll saute these until the onions become translucent. Just keep them stirred and watch the heat. You don't want the onions to burn. Now once they've become translucent, you can add in the 2.5 pounds of ground beef. Of course, you can use ground chicken here, ground turkey, you can even use ground pork. And if you would prefer a spicier chili, you could always use hot sausage here. I'm using an 80% lean ground beef for this, so I'm not going to drain off the fat. I think the fat here, once this is browned, the fat is going to help season the chili, but if you prefer, you can drain that excess grease off of it once it's browned. But I'm going to keep it stirred because I want the pieces of the ground beef to be really small. The more you stir this as you're cooking it, the tinier those pieces will become. So I'm going to keep it stirred pretty well until it's completely brown. Now we will add our seasoning. I'm adding 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 2 heaping teaspoons of cumin, and I'm using black garlic here, but you can use regular garlic powder. And we'll be adding 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. Give it a good stir. Now we're going to add in 2 packages of chili seasoning mix. Now I'm using French's here, but you don't have to use French's. You can use any brand you'd like, but it's chili seasoning mix, and there's 2 packets going in. And then we're going to stir it well, get everything incorporated. And Then we're going to add in some beef broth. In total, I'm adding about 4 cups of beef stock here, but you can substitute with beef broth if you'd like. Now we're going to add 1 large can of crushed tomatoes. That's a 28-ounce can. And then we're going to add 2 28-ounce cans of diced tomatoes. Now we're adding in the beans. We have 2 15-ounce cans each of dark red kidney beans, light red kidney beans, and pinto beans. And again, that's 2 cans of each. And then we're going to finish off with some tomato juice. That's about 3 cups total. Give it a good stir. And we're just going to put this on low heat, low to medium heat, it's fine. Just keep it stirred. You want this to cook for about 30 minutes, and that just develops the flavors. Give it a taste, make sure you have enough salt and pepper in there. If you want to add a little at the end, now's the time to do it. And just let it simmer. 30 minutes is all it takes, but if you want to simmer it in the crock pot a little longer, it will be fine. Make sure that's on low. Perfect for a cold, rainy day or a night at the campground.